Hi everyone! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. And for today's video guys, we will do another unboxing video. So it's our second time to do an unboxing video. And now guys, we will unbox my new phone. Look at this! It's my new phone guys. It's Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. And it is 8 gig RAM and 256 gig storage. And now guys, we will unbox it. And there's more guys. It have pre adapter. Yes guys. We are so lucky because we had a pre adapter because they said that it is not free. You have to buy it, but we are so lucky kasi we got it free. So for today's video guys, we will unbox this phone. So as you can see guys, it's Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. It's color blue black guys, because sadly we didn't get the color that we want, but it's okay. It is also pretty. And now guys, we will open it. Also yun guys, if you are wondering, we already unboxed it on the store to check if it is working, if there is a problem on the unit, but I just want to share it with you. I just want to do an unboxing videos because I really want to say thank you to our kindest supporter. Yes guys, thank you so much Sir JB for always sharing your blessings to me, for always helping me, and of course for always being there for me. Yes Sir JB, thank you so much. Thank you for all your kindness, for your goodness, and for having a good heart. So yes, guys, now we will unbox it. I'm so excited, but I already use it and I already charge it, but it's only once, and now we will unbox it. So may tape siya, guys. May tape siya, and we will gonna remove the tape to open. Guys, we already remove the tape, and we will open it now. So guys, as you can see, the box is so thin. It's like an iPhone. Yes, and once you open the box, you can see the unit. The unit is covered with white cover. Of course guys, kukunin mo lang siya ng ganan. And here's the unit guys. Oh, let's set aside the unit, and after the unit, we will see this. So let's open it guys. Guys, meron din siyang ganito, para siyang sa SIM card. Ganan. Hindi para po talaga siya sa SIM card. Ha? So yun guys, may makikita po tayong ganito, and ito po is para sa SIM card. Para po if open mo, if mag-change ka ng SIM card, mag-i-input ka ng eSIM card, ito po yung gagamitin nyo. So meron po tayo nito. And if we open this, guys, makikita po natin itong Samsung Care. This one, this paper. And also, this one, the cord or the charger connector, guys. Diba, we are so lucky kasi meron na po tayong adapter, meron pa po tayong connector. So, it's fully set. That's how lucky we are. And guys, wala na po siyang laman. Only this charger cord and Samsung Care. And the last part of the box is this, the Samsung warranty paper. So guys, hindi po it's also a guide guys, pero hindi daw po natin to pwedeng iwala kasi po kapag po wala to, parang hindi po gagana yung warranty niya. So yun guys, moment of truth. I-check na po natin yung unit. Open lang po natin siya dito. Ayan guys, and as you can see guys, it's a glass guys. Look how shiny. You can use it as your mirror. Ay. Yan guys, ayan po. Yan po siya guys. It's the mirror. So yun guys, if i-open po natin siya, yan po yung lalabas sa atin. Yung lock screen niya, of course. So yun guys, after po ng lock screen niya, nandito na po tayo sa kanyang home screen. So ayan po guys, makikita nyo po bago na po yung kanyang mga icon kasi it's an updated version of Samsung. It is released October, if I'm not mistaken, October 2024, so last year lang. So yes guys, you already saw the unit that I bought, and Sir JB, thank you so much. Thank you always. Thank you for spoiling me and for giving me this beautiful phone. I will use it to do live stream guys. So now guys, meron na po tayong cellphone na hindi po mahirap pindutin guys, kasi kung makikita niyo po yung pinalitan po ng cellphone na ito is like this. Ito po yung pinalitan ng cellphone ko guys, and may tape po siya. May tape na po siya kasi po bumubuka po yung screen niya guys. And the back is already open guys. Kasi po, 8 years na po to sa akin. It is Realme 7 guys. And hindi po siya nabubuhay pero feeling ko po lowbat lang siya. And yung screen niya po, yung tempered po at yung screen niya is basag na. Kaya po, baby, thank you so much for this wonderful phone. So yes guys, after the unit, of course, we will open the adapter. It's also from Samsung guys. It's their original adapter. And if you open the box, the only laman is this. Guys, it is very cute. It's cute size of charger. So yes guys, that's all for these videos, and if you enjoyed my second unboxing videos, please leave a like and a comment and do subscribe. Thank you so much guys for all your support, for watching my vlogs, and for always supporting my YouTube journey. And also special thanks to my Sir JB Outdoors, our Sir JB Outdoors, for always helping me, helping everyone. So guys, if you know Sir JB helped me a lot, and he is always supporting me, and he is always helping me. So Sir JB, thank you so much. May God continue to bless you more than more, because I know, we all know that Sir JB is truly deserved to be blessed, because he is always share his blessing. So yes guys, Sir JB, thank you so much. Take care always, and stay safe, drive safe always when you go to the work. And yes guys, that's all for today's vlog, and see you again on my next vlog. Guys, abangan nyo pa po, madami pa po kaming pasabog ni Sir J. We will have another video vlogs. We will have another vlogs, a surprise vlogs, like that guys. And yes guys, that's all for today, and thank you so much. Love you all, and I appreciate you all.